one of the great current arguments I'm fighting for is that the proportional share of the population is a very, very inappropriate way of achieving health equity. Because as we were looking into some of the populations, for instance, in Peru, where the diversity is among the highest in the whole of Latin America, you're going to find populations for which specific pharmacogenomic alleles or specific pharmacogenomics phenotypes are going to differ dramatically. Even within countries, you're going to have an amount of diversity that it's affecting significantly how you, for instance, apply dosage of specific drugs. So then the other thing that I wanted to say, and I'm quoting here Jessica Kolopinen, and she's actually talking about indigenous ways of the indigenous rights, basically. Her paper, a recent paper, I found quite enlightening because basically the peoples who are developing the labels on how we classify the different populations, they've never contacted. So they have no idea about the differences that may be between the different clans, between the different families. The current neoliberal identity system, which is psychologically is where the West works on. You have all these different identities that should be equally represented. They are again not helping actually having the appropriate diversity that we need, because basically what we need to do is that when we frame, it's not about what populations, but with whom do we generate those classifications? Those ways of framing how we subdivide the population, whom have we involved in that decision? That's what we need to think about.